Voice changer in Roblox VC not working. How to fix it. When a voice changer stops working in Roblox, the problem is almost always in the audio routing rather than in Roblox itself. The virtual microphone has to be selected in two places, your operating system and Roblox's own settings, and one Roblox update or driver reset can quietly undo that. Check that voice chat itself is active. Open Roblox settings, privacy, and confirm voice chat is enabled and your age verification is still valid. If the mic icon is missing in-game, no voice changer will help. Verify the virtual microphone exists. In Windows Sound Settings or macOS Audio MIDI setup, look for the voice changer's virtual device in the input list. If it isn't there, the driver failed to install or was removed by an update. Reinstall the virtual audio driver. Run the voice changer's installer again and accept the driver component. Then restart your computer fully so the device registers properly. Recheck the input inside the app. Open the voice changer and confirm your real headset or USB mic is still selected as its input source. Swapping headsets often resets this to a device that no longer exists. Set the virtual mic as your system default. In Windows Sound Settings, choose the virtual device as the default input and raise its level, since a muted or very low input reads as silence. Reselect the microphone in Roblox. Launch Roblox, open Settings, Audio, and pick the virtual microphone from the input list. Roblox frequently reverts to the previous default after an update. Restart in the right order. Close Roblox completely, start the voice changer first, let it load, then launch Roblox so the client sees the virtual device at startup. Grant microphone permission. In Windows privacy settings or macOS security and privacy, make sure both Roblox and the voice changer are allowed to access